Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with another refreshing weight loss drink for you today. This drink is going to help you to shed up to 30 pounds in 15 days. And what you do is you drink this early in the morning, and you can also drink this before bed. So let me show you what you need. It's very simple, and we're going concentrated today, okay? So what you're going to need is a whole cucumber. You're going to need a piece of ginger. Now, ginger root preferably, no powder, okay? We're also going to be working with a grapefruit. And for a little extra flavor with antioxidants, I'm going to be using my frozen blueberries. So let's start off right now. When I'm blending fruits that's not organic, I like to peel it, okay? Because you know our fruits and vegetables have that waxy film on it from the supermarket, so I like to just peel that off. And we're also going to be needing a blender. So if you have a medium-sized blender, that's perfect for this ingredient. You don't need a full size. And you're going to just cut this up in pieces to make it easier for blending. Just pop that in your blender cup. Next, we're going to also need a piece. Now, this is about maybe 2 inches of ginger root. And what I like to do, now some of you have mentioned you keep it whole, even with the skin on it. But what I like to do is I'll peel that little fine skin off. Okay? And make sure you have a very strong blender. So this way it shreds this ginger up to almost nothing. And what you're going to do now is also cut this into pieces. And pop that also in your NutriBullet cup or your blender. Next, I'm just going to put in about a cup of my blueberries. If you have fresh blueberries, that's good too. And lastly, we're going to slice this grapefruit up. And use the insides. Very easy. And like I said, this is going to be concentrated, so it's going to be very powerful and strong. Now, if you don't have grapefruit, you can use an orange, you can use a lemon, you can use a lime. And you will be blending the whole entire meat of the fruit. Top one. Now, if it's too much for you to close, what you can do is also blend down some of the cucumbers in there to make some space, because the cucumber is going to give you lots of juice, at least 2 cups of juice. All right, so let's blend this down. Okay, so our drink is finished, and now we're just going to pour it into our favorite cups, mugs, glasses, whatever you've got. That's it. Nice, creamy, and smooth. Okay. Alright, so there you got it, you guys. Your wonderful fat burning drink. You drink it twice a day. You can drink it as a meal replacement in the morning, as a breakfast smoothie, or a snack smoothie if you're not feeling like eating a very heavy meal. In between a meal, this is a perfect choice for you to have, okay? It's full of antioxidants, it's full of fiber, and it's going to help burn that fat off of you. So if you want to see more of these wonderful videos, thumbs up this video right now. Don't forget to also check out my other channel, where it's a vlog channel called Velvet Vlogs, where you'll see more of me up close and personal, doing other things as far as hair care, beauty care, and also family fun. Okay, so thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.